Hello and welcome to another CF PowerScript tutorial with me, Christian Rauchenwald. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the CF affiliate badge PowerScript to change the link of the ClickFunnels affiliate badge on your funnels. Now, if you're wondering what the ClickFunnels affiliate badge is, I've opened up a funnel here, and when you look at it, you can see in the bottom right corner, there's this sticky graphic that says made with ClickFunnels, and it actually links when we open it to the ClickFunnels website with your affiliate ID attached to it. Now you may be wondering, why would you need to change the link of that graphic since it already contains your affiliate link? And the answer is quite simple. As you may have learned already, whenever you promote an affiliate offer, you very rarely want to send people straight to the affiliate offer, but usually you want to send them to a bridge page, which would be a one-page funnel step where you point out the reasons why people should sign up with your links. So you would list the bonuses that you are offering when users sign up and point out any other reason why they should use your specific affiliate link. Additionally, on your bridge page, you will always ask users for their email address, and you will have a follow-up email campaign in place that increases the results of the people that click on the affiliate link. So instead of them clicking on the link, looking 5 seconds at ClickFunnels and closing the window, they click on the link, they go to your bridge page, they give you their email address, they look at ClickFunnels, they close the window, and then they get a couple of emails from you that point out additional reasons why they should sign up for ClickFunnels, till eventually they do. And because they do it from the affiliate link that you sent in each of your emails, you'll still get commission. So now that we clarified the why you would want to change that affiliate link, let's take a look at how you can actually do it with CF PowerScript. First, as always, you need to log into your CF PowerScript account. And once you're there, from the main dashboard, head to the PowerScript section, pick the funnel where you want to change the link, or add the script globally to change it on all your funnels at once. In my case, I'm going to pick our demo funnel here, since I already have it open in the other tab, and I'm going to pick the opt-in page here and simply click on Add New, select the ClickFunnels affiliate badge script, and enter the URL to your bridge page. I'm just going to enter cfpowerscripts.com here, and last but not least, click on Add Script to add that script to your funnel. Now, when we go back to that funnel step and we simply refresh it, once I hover the graphic with the mouse, you may already be able to read it in the bottom left corner of the screen. It now says cfpowerscripts.com, and once I click on it, it actually opens cfpowerscripts.com. That's it. That's why and how you can change the ClickFunnels affiliate badge to get people to your bridge page instead of sending them straight to ClickFunnels, and increase your results from that affiliate badge. Now, last but not least, if your funnel is not related or does not align well with ClickFunnels, so for example, you are selling a keto course, then your audience may not be interested in ClickFunnels, and you might want to either disable the affiliate badge or take a look at our affiliate badge CE PowerScript that also allows you to change the graphic so you can use it to tell people to perform another action like book a call now, sign up today, join our community, and so on. And as always, if you have any questions whatsoever, take a look at our FAQ section, and if you cannot find an answer there, use our contact form to reach out to us, create a post within our CF PowerScripts Facebook community, or if you're a member of our VIP plan, write us in the live chat of the Slack application that is available to you on all your devices. Thanks for watching, and as always, even more so, thanks for using CF PowerScripts. See you in one of our other videos. Till then, bye-bye.